Hi there. This is the review of the uh, drift track, but actually it's not drifting very well yet because I'm not changing the wheels, but um, it's an electrical one. So to build this track, I used the back section of the Billy car called in the market as Chopa Billy car, I think, at least here in Australia. Um, it comes with a brushed motor, electrical motor, 250 watts. It's only one wheel traction, and the controller, everything, and the batteries are inside of this, under the seat. And just here is the throttle. So I connect, because it's just two 12 volts battery. I connected inside of it, and this is the main connector for those batteries, and then run it in 24 because the motor running 24 volts. And one of these is for the power, and one of these the power 24, and one of these, and this one is for the power 24, and this one is for the red lights. Yes, I use an automotive red light that made everyone can see this thing during the night from, I think, 100 meters away at least. So the front part, obviously, I use a tricycle, a normal drift track in the market, front wheels. I didn't want to develop this in my own because it takes time, and I'm still using the original frame, the original brake of the electric Billy car. And as well, when I upgraded the controller for the new electrical motor, I use one of its brakes. You know, these brakes come with a sensor that cut off the energy to the motor when you need to brake, just to avoid accidents. So I hardly suggest don't use this on roads because actually it's illegal. Well, there is the point here. It's basically, what I say, electric assistance in a pedal vehicle, and it's no more than 150 watts. It's kind of legal. Actually, I think the category for this one is a commute tricycle. Okay, now I'm going to remove the seat. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, there is the two batteries here, and when you turn on the key, and then so you get 24 volts from these two batteries, and this is the 250 watts 24 volts electrical motor. As you can see, here is the controller, and this is the sprocket from the chains. Yeah, and this is the light. Okay. This is the light. It's here. So, okay, let's do this. We are going to connect the key. Okay, let's take off. This is the key, light, and okay. Let's just do some trick here. Okay. Well. Okay, now I got my my first test pilot. You are my test pilot. Yeah. Okay, so the track is ready. Little Tonito is not big enough to reach the pedals properly, but he can do that. Okay, so Dominic, be ready to use the no, not yet. Tonito, Domi, Tonito. Okay, go. Domi. Okay, now is the turn for an adult person. But well, the weight is 47 kilos, 50 kilos or something like that.